And today we're going to talk about how to connect the clothing you've purchased to your motorcycle, ATV, or snowmobile in the easiest way possible, because we include everything you need in our packaging. There's nothing extra to buy, but we will cover some of the optional pieces as well, so you can utilize your factory OEM ports if needed. So first point we'll talk about is the battery connection kit that we supply with your product. We supply this battery connection kit, connect to your battery, to your clothing. We do this with a selection of fuses also, because based on the number of products that you're using, whether it's a jacket and gloves or jacket and pants, you do need to select the right appropriate fuse to go with that. We include a chart that shows you specifically which color-coded fuse to use in those situations. For example, if you're using just the jacket or vest, you would use the brown-colored fuse. If you use the jacket with the gloves, it's a red-colored fuse. Now, if it's a jacket, pant combo, and gloves, we're going to switch to the blue fuse. So you get the idea. We do offer on the back also the amperage ratings for each of these pieces. You can actually put these together and add it up to make sure that you're not exceeding your vehicle's capacity for electrical generation. So we're going to start with the battery connection kit. And after you've selected the appropriate fuse, you install it, put the dust cover on, and now you're ready to install it to the motorcycle. Okay, now that we've connected our battery connection harness kit to the bike, we're ready to move it and place it properly for riding. I prefer to go between the seat and the tank, make it where it's easy access to get on and off the bike while still remaining connected and to unplug. This is also the opportunity to remember that we offer an optional Y-splitter harness if you're going to be sharing the heat with a passenger in their own kit. Now, some of the optional bikes out there do have what they call the cigar lighter, or cigarette lighter. This one allows you to connect into your vehicle's existing cigar style or cigarette, or the newer style, smaller diameter ports with a simple removal of the end cap. We do recommend, however, that you go and check, make sure that your vehicle will support that outlet with enough power to run your heated gear. On this particular machine, it's here up under the dash, and we also recommend that you check your owner's manual or with a dealer, because sometimes these have a reduction in energy available and may not give you the best optimal temperatures for your heated clothing to work under. So once that's the one area there, the other piece that we also offer, many bikes now come with a SAE style connector, more commonly known as a battery charge quick connect. We actually offer the connector that goes right into the SAE style, and then this piece goes to our clothing. But you do need to go back and put the correct fuse into that connection coming from the battery lead, just as you would with our kit here, because they do vary and it uses a smaller amperage for the charge. So now we've got our stuff. I've started the bike up and I'm ready to go riding. I then plug in my gear to the connector cord. If I'm using the gloves, this is the same time. I take our glove, plug it in, and we're ready to go. Also, don't forget to register and review the products on our website, or look for the latest product updates at ventureheat.com. Share your traveling pictures also on our Facebook page, Venture Heat.